As long as they're not hear come out of my mouth or me calling them, I don't know what they're saying. I don't understand what they're saying because
Iron foot, we are so great. And give the people real dancehall vibes. Lion foot feeling great. I'm a free up the people with good vibes. Lion foot, you're so great. Cause you're blessed by the most
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know.
Bless everyone, greetings, viewers and subscribers, kings and queens, lion and lioness. I hope all is blessed and as usual, hope this visual finds all in the best of health and health over wealth. And your health is your wealth, so take care of it. Anyone in there, big up on the damn self. You don't know, the support is all appreciated. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click the bell. That's what I say. Yeah, man, peace and love to each and every one on the platform. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so, is it? Yeah, man, and welcome to the lion family, welcome to the jungle. You know what I mean? Why I say bear, clean out people, no dirty bungle. You see me I say? Yeah, we're just dealing the thing real and humble. You see me I say? Yeah, man, the righteous shall rise and the wicked shall stumble. You hear me I tell you? You also never talk to you enough to grumble. Now, my viewers and subscribers, in this vlog, yeah, you know, we have some musical updates from some artists all over the world, UK, Jamaica, you know what I mean? Yeah, so we have some musical updates coming from Zesty Ice, man, it's a freezing cold icy, you know what I mean? We have Bean Man in London, in the Chinatown, a got a piece of action, you see me? We also have music from Queen, Nicki and Statious, them evil. See, and also IAP with him have a nice mama song, Mama Me Love You So Much. So big up IAP. And also Maca Diamond and On Stage. Zine, so you don't know. Quick update, you don't go away now. So far.
People, this is Ross Imerick. Man, say I'm tired and fed up, you know, man.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. I don't know, tired and fed up by it. Big up Kim Possible. As I say, big up Zabik, see me. Tired and fed up by it. My song that you know, tired and fed up by it. You see it? Yeah, man, so we're tired and fed up by the crime and violence and the kidnapping and what go on. My people, you can look up for the song upon my EP and it's also on YouTube. That's what I say, tired and fed up by it. It's a nice song, man. I see it, and the message in it that just need to be spread and shared and support. See? So before we start, I don't know why I give a big shout out to Just Josh. Zine, Just Josh made my moment of the day today. My best moment of today, Sunday, was a comment from Just Josh. Zine made a comment. I did a vlog yesterday with Ragarugi and Major Markella just in Gullibap and Ragarugi I call it Lionfoot. So Just Josh, big up yourself, welcome to the platform. Zina, big up Michigan 1973 also, see? Yeah, but Just Josh made this post and said, seriously, do not underestimate the reach of any vlogger and the stories they cover. Because of this Lionfoot upload, I researched Ragarugi and was entertained. The man rough and tough from a long time. So this person, Just Josh, saw the vlog and went and did a research on Ragarugi and see other stuff, and he was entertained, he's pleased, and he praised Ragarugi. So he said, don't underestimate the vlogger them. So big up all the vloggers them on YouTube. See? Yeah, man, big up all the vloggers them on YouTube, and don't underestimate the vloggers them. The young ones them like myself. Remember, in life there's stages and growth. We all have to grow one day. You see me? Yeah, so big up Just Josh. The comment I made my day today, so it's fair enough to put it out there. So I say, big up your brother, big up yourself, General. And I don't know. Welcome to the Lion family. See? Yeah, man, I big up Michigan. That's what I say. 1973. You have a look at conversation and go about Maka. You see me? So we're going to get to that later on down in the vlog. So no more long chatting with viewers and subscribers. We'll kick off the vlog with an artist named Zesty Ice. Zine? Yeah man, Zesty Ice, freezing cold, you know? Bad artist, I'm going to hear the song first, yeah.
Man real, ERP, I see. Man real from the end to the start. Man real from the start to the north.
Yeah man, real from the end to the start. Big up all the real people about that.
I see the realest youth with a clean heart. Yeah man are the realest. Man want be great, me no care who want to be the best.
Yeah man, the man said, man real. And the realest, you don't care who want to be the best. That's why I know I say I'm real, you see me? Yeah man, so big up Zesty Ice. It's a little snippet I see on him in TikTok, Instagram, and I just copy it off and things. So big up Zesty Ice. He never knows something I do it, but that's some work, you see me? Big up Zesty Ice. Yeah man, next now we have IAP with a nice mama song. Zine, so big up IAP anywhere there. So I say, yeah man. Yeah man say, mama, I love you so much. Now wait till they're dead and gone. So big up all the man them who tell them mother say them love them dearly. I do on the phone, you know. You know, wait till the mother dead and gone, they start do certain things. And when you have the last mom forget it, you see me?
I love you so much. Got to let you know. I'm gonna wait till you're dead. I'm
Yeah man, mama, big up all of the mothers about there. Yeah man, mama, from long as you live, you I will give. Fulfill your dreams and all the promises. So big up all of the mothers them. Big up Black Cognat me seen in the video. And big up Danny Bless me seen in the video. You see me I say, and big up everybody who in the video. Yeah man, that's the thing there. Next in line, my viewers and subscribers, watch Beenie Man at one place in London, Hong Kong City. Yeah man, so watch what I got.
Alright, let me tell you something. A Chinatown me there, see? London, you have to know that. You see? You see? Alright, but don't talk. Me show you some other decoration. When you ramp with me. Alright? Ramp it. Now, you know nothing about me. Hung lang chang lang chung lang pai. Chung lang pang lang pai. A hung lang pang la ya picky pai po. A picky pai pai po. Chop suey. Alright,
yes, my viewers and subscribers, Beenie Man, I can say I'm mash up some chop suey now. Chop suey. You know, Chinatown, that is a place in London, at the West End, you know, where the rich people can go eat and shop on them. So, a long time I go to them places. I'm not too full on the meeting again, you see me? So, big up Beenie Man. Next, we have a little snippet from Statius and Queen Nikki, song called Them Evil, so no long chatting.
How long me talk to him on them? But them not here. Maybe they will listen to the woman them.
Yeah man, so long man, yeah the man said the intro, no long chat to the man them like myself and send out the positive message and they're not here, so may the woman then do it right now and see if they're going to listen.
It's evident them sick in a head. Man a dead, woman a dead, Pitney a dead.
We want to the crime rate decrease, so Statius and Nikki a beg.
Man, we love the intro. The crime rate increase, so Statius and Nikki I said. So me I say, yeah, man, some of them I say them sick in the head. Stop the crime.
Them a say them love kill people, so them love when a dead body they on ground. Them evil.
Anybody fit dead, them not spare no.
So them love kill people that be dead body up on the ground. Them love kill people, all the matter about everybody fit dead, them not spare none.
This we have to tell the government, we don't love how the country run. Next thing we want, no
With the Rasta, them no fire no burn.
Yes, they want to tell the government them all over the country and run. And the next thing, but the Rasta man them notice no fire no burn. And that Ayakira say no fire no burn around here.
Kill and collect, smoke and forget. Seems like a life with no program fi take. Bring back the fun, joke man fi make. So youths put down the gun down and put it.
Yeah man, when I say smoke and collect and whatever, drink and kill and smoke and collect, something like that. Remember the other talk there? John was the song, yeah, me love the message.
Love the island, me don't want to left. Foreigners overseas don't want visit. Murder per capita, we top the list. The plot for twist.
Nikki said she love the island and she don't want left. Foreigners overseas abroad, so afraid to come visit. You see me, the crime rate, and not true man. Enough people, me talk say they not come back here, I'm afraid.
So much killers you know comfortable and not living a luxury. Who know they are jail, they are cemetery. Dead and buried.
Yeah, but this not pay. Who know they are jail, they are cemetery. Dead and buried. You see me I say? When I pick up the gun, you know, one thing it lead, you know, a dead house or a jail house.
So them love kill people. So them love when a dead body they on ground. Them evil.
Anybody fit dead, them not spare none.
Yeah, what them love kill people, man. You know the youth them at secret, no matter about brawling and fully dance and all of this and all of that. We say stop the crime. You see me, you know, I'm a big activist against crime. You see me I say? Yeah man, so viewers and subscribers, Kings and Queen, you can go check out the rest of the song on YouTube. It's a nice song, you see me I say? So big up Queen Nikki, big up Statious. Now let's get into the hot topic right now. Macadam, you know Macadam man came out and talked so she get beaten and Sunday Star come and say one nick she get shot and lie, she exaggerate. People are saying Macadam man look at tension, people are saying she lie, people are saying she was in the limelight like other, she just was in the highlight, you know. But me believe say she get beaten, but we don't know if I one or a few or what, but she definitely got it. You see now, you know, we don't support crime against women. You see? So Macadam went on stage and not give her tell her a story again. And she's talking the same way. You know, only thing I observed she said different was what she never mentioned when she first came out is that the artists them killer them and then at the studio. You see me? I talk about the differences with the other artists and she still not call name and people are speculating and everybody at church and assume. Even myself, yeah. See me, but some people have said that person there, some people have said that person there. So, you know, so even Macadam man I say, me pick up that little pointer, definitely, for just make on the ear she say on stage. Yeah.
What do you say to them about them speculating about who it might have been?
No, I ignore them because, I mean, I have best friends. My best friend called me and cussed me and said, I've been around you for years and you don't tell me. I said, that's nobody's business. I promised myself, I promised the manager not to say. So who is speculating? As long as they're not here come out of my mouth or me calling him, I don't know what they're saying. I don't understand what they're saying because...
Yes, Macadam said, she have a best friend who, I said, boy, can't believe she never mentioned it to them or nothing, but she did tell herself that she not talk and she made a promise to the manager. So she not go talk because she get paid. So it's like she sell her beating for money. Sell her pride for money, her dignity. See? And she lie, although like that to her. She stick to her word. She not call her name. Because she get the money. She was paid not to talk and she stick to it. She not call her name. See? So she said she not care who speculate and assume. As long as she not call her name. Anybody want to say anybody. She no business. She don't know what they say. She don't understand. She deaf to them. To us. You see me? So I think we just love, it's fair and right to leave Macadam alone. Make she heal and stop. Just come off for a case now. You see me? Yeah, I don't think I'm going to cover this anymore unless she call her name. Which she not going to do. You see me? So I think we should just lower her now and make she heal her do and thing. You see me? People say, well, attention, she look and this and that. So big up Michigan, 1973. You see me? Yeah, man, I made that reason on the platform. Michigan, you see me? Big up myself, Michigan. And let me know what you think, Michigan, see me. If you think, still believe she's seeking attention or something, you know what about. Yeah. If you just love her now, give her the respect and you know, make she just heal and come up for her case. Because she said she feel confident in herself now that she get it off her chest. She just didn't call any name, but I think the victims who are coming out need to call names so the people them know who the vultures are or the wicked them are, so them can protect themselves and them loved ones or friends. You see, because them same one they can still go around and mingle with other people to do the same thing or whatever. You see what I say? That's just my opinion. You see it? Your viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think in the comment section of any one of the artists them and also the situation with Maka Diamond. You see me? Yeah, man. So you don't know. It's another vlog where I do it on our boss now. Brag. Big up on the damn self. I'm out. Not another word out of me mouth.
Be a liar, tell pan the girl.
Oh, lady and life, turn up.
You chat the girl, talk about the girl mouth stink. Oh, General B fuck her and say all good in her mouth, but her mouth too stink. You forgot?
Yo, me
you forgot?
No.
I mean, so what kind of friend them? I call Nancy.
Yo, General,
I'm a lion foot. The thing I work. Galaxy phone, the pin I work.
Yo, me never know if I used to work Maka.
Yeah.
Lady and life, me there watching up. Yo, lady and say, Sandy Star say, you say. Maka Diamond, all good but I'm out. Hello? Hello? Tell me. Man, hang up on me to blows and stuff. Thanks for watching. Your support is highly appreciated. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you will always get that alert when I post a new content. And feel free to leave a comment in the comment section below. Your thoughts and opinion I would like to know. Until then, stay safe. Gone. Walk good. I'm out. God bless you.